Hello, Reagan here. Welcome to day 4 of Vlogtober. So when I first started doing this, I was just like, I just want to make some content and, whatever, it'll kind of work itself out, or it'll just be uploads. And even if it's crap, at least I'm doing something, which makes me feel more productive, even if I'm not really being. And finally I got there. It took me a little while, but I was like, okay, well, like, what is like, what's my deal with this time of year? You know what I'm saying? Like, what does this time of year mean to me? What's the importance of it? Why would I even want to do daily vlogs in October? Like, what's the significance? It's like, well, there's a few different things. One, for me, this is a big time of year to honor, my ancestors and, friends and family members that have passed away, which unfortunately, there's been a lot. I never thought by like my mid 40s that I would be in a position to have like outlived so many people. That's just wild to me. Like people in my life or whatever. It's just insane. I mean, some of the people that I lost, I thought were literally going to live forever. Like it was really wild. But I kind of want to like honor those people and remember them, share some stories, some anecdotes, things that keep those people alive, in my mind and in my heart. So I figured I'd do that. That's one aspect of it, which is also kind of cool because digging in the shed, there's a lot of stuff out there that belonged to people from my past that have passed away. So that'll be kind of a nice little like tie-in thing to do. I also do want to do some crafts because I have a whole I have my tree to decorate. Thanks, Sunny. And I have, I want to decorate the house. I think I'm going to tear everything out of my bookshelves in the living room and just make it all Halloween, even though most of it's pretty much almost Halloween themed anyway. But I haven't cleaned or organized that in a long time since I started using my living room as a workspace for crafting and stuff. So I'm also kind of working on getting stuff shuffled back into the shed because, like I mentioned before, it's like a seasonal thing to use the shed more. And I need to get my living room cleared out because I do plan on celebrating holidays and things like that. And it's kind of hard when there's literally nowhere to sit in my living room other than at a sewing table or at my desk. So I need to work on that. I try to find some kind of affordable couch and maybe put my dining room table back up. Who knows? We'll see. I don't know. We'll work on that. If nothing else, that'll just be folding tables for holiday dinners or whatever. I'm not really looking forward to putting a dining room table back up because when I have a dining room table up, it just becomes a catch-all for everything and it's a nightmare. And then my cats are like, oh, look at this bounty of things to knock on the floor. And then, I don't know, it spirals really fast. The whole situation just gets really out of control real quick. So that's what it's about. That's what I'm doing. Anyway, but I'm going to go, I'm in a Walmart parking lot and it's really hard to focus on recording when there's people walking around and things, but I just wanted to, just let you know what's going on. We're winding up into some stuff. I definitely have a lot that I want to share and what I want to do. So, yeah, stick around. Like what you see, do the thing, cool stuff. And, check out links in my description for other ways to, check out all the stuff that I do. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.